Aurionpro wins 150 crore रुपए Metro Rail AFC order, expands smart mobility footprint. Aurionpro Solutions Limited has announced another significant order win, reinforcing its leadership in smart mobility solutions. The company has secured a contract from Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited for implementing automated fare collection systems for the Bhopal and Indore Metro Rail projects. This order is part of DMRC's collaboration with Madhya Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited. The project aims to deploy standardized AFC systems to improve commuter convenience, operational efficiency, and interoperability across upcoming metro networks in the state. The multi-year contract is valued at approximately 150 crore rupees. Under this agreement, Aurionpro will supply, implement, and maintain advanced fare collection solutions for both metro projects. The scope of work includes end-to-end implementation followed by comprehensive maintenance and support services for a period of 5 years. This long-term engagement enhances revenue visibility and strengthens Aurionpro's recurring services portfolio. Aurionpro will deploy open-loop EMV card and QR code-based automated fare collection systems. These solutions are designed to enable seamless, fast, and secure ticketing experiences for daily commuters. The AFC systems are aligned with global payment standards and comply with India's National Common Mobility Card norms. This ensures interoperability across transit systems and future readiness for expanding smart mobility ecosystems. A key strength behind this win is Aurionpro's integrated in-house design and manufacturing capabilities. The company delivers globally compliant, high-quality solutions that are designed and made in India. From a strategic perspective, this order significantly expands Aurionpro's footprint across India's metro rail network. It further establishes the company as a preferred technology partner for large urban transit projects. The win also reflects continued trust from DMRC, one of the most prominent metro authorities in the country. Repeat engagements with such institutions strengthen Aurionpro's credibility and competitive positioning. Commenting on the development, Sanjay Bali, president of the Tech Innovation Group at Aurionpro, highlighted the importance of the collaboration. He noted that the engagement reinforces Aurionpro's growing presence in India's metro rail ecosystem. Management also emphasized that Aurionpro's solutions enhance commuter convenience, improve transaction speed, and elevate overall passenger experience. These factors are increasingly critical as metro networks expand rapidly across cities. From an investor perspective, the order supports Aurionpro's long-term growth strategy in smart mobility and urban infrastructure technology. The combination of project execution and long-term maintenance provides balanced revenue streams. Overall, the 150 crore rupee AFC contract marks another strong milestone for Aurionpro. It strengthens order visibility, reinforces leadership in smart transit solutions, and positions the company well to capture future opportunities in India's fast-evolving urban mobility market.